Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 96. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 9, 6 here, so 5, 9. That means that our 6 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, 7 here, so 1, 3, 3 and 7 here. So this is our 1, that makes this our 3, 7. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this top row, we're missing 5, 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so 5, 7. Same here, 5, 7. 5 and 8 here, so 7, 9. 5, 7 here, so 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7, and the 2 can't be there, so it must be here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3, 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. And the 5 and 9 here would make this our 3. I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 9, no help here. 4, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9, and the 8 can't be there or there, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, so 4, 7. 2 and 7 here. Makes this our 4, 7, 2. That 4 makes this our 9, 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.